Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Chrome high memory or CPU usage. If you're using Google Chrome in your Windows or in your Mac, I don't know if you want to fix your issue, which is high memory and CPU usage by your Chrome. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Chrome browser, and now in your Chrome browser, just click on these three dots in the top right, and then scroll down and go to settings. Now, once we're in settings, you just have to look for performance, and here you have to enable this toggle, which is memory saver. Just enable this, and once I've enabled, you have to also enable this energy saver. So after doing that, you just have to go back and go to extensions here. Now you have to make sure that you have minimum extensions in your Chrome. So if you have a lot of extensions, so I recommend you have to delete or remove unnecessary extensions from your PC or from your Chrome. Once you have done, it will help you to fix your issue. Then you have to go back and just click on this plus button to open a new tab. Now click on three dots again, and here just go to more tools, or you have to delete your data. Now you just go to delete browsing data, and here you have to select the time. So I'm gonna select all time, so you can customize your time. It might be last 24 hours or last some week or days. I'm just going to delete all my data here. Just click on delete data. So it will delete all the cache and website data from the browser. So once I have deleted this, it will help out to minimize the CPU usage and memory usage of Chrome. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.